So we're going to look really quickly at putting in balloons and putting in a bill of materials, otherwise known as a parts list. So the first thing you have to have a completed assembly. You have to have assemblies views in your document. So here we have the assembly, the lift jack that we put together. It has 3 parts in it. It has the screw, it has the base, and it has the wedge, I think is what it's called. From there, you're going to go to annotate. We'll put the balloons in first. Now, if you go over here to annotate, you'll notice here where it says balloon. We don't want to use that because that one's hard. If we go down here to auto balloon, it's going to automatically put all the balloons at one time. So all you have to do, follow your instructions here if you get lost down here in the corner. But basically it says select view. I'm going to pick this view. It's going to then say select components for ballooning. The easiest way to do that is to click, drag a window box around it, and it's going to select all of those pictures. So you just click, hold, drag, and then let up, and it'll select everything. And then you're going to right click and say continue. And then it's going to drop in all of your balloons. All right. One of the other ways you can do this, go back to auto balloon. I'll just do this again so you can see and show you a different way. Select the view. And then this time, if you just hover in here, right click, select all, that'll select everything. Right click again, continue. I'm going to switch it to around, and you'll notice that it kind of slightly places it differently. You can kind of drag them around, click enter, and it will place everything down. Now you'll notice that it does want to put those in kind of like weird and wacky places. All you have to do is hover till the green shows up and then drop them where you want them. You may remember that one of the rules for balloons is these cannot be horizontal or vertical, so don't forget to keep a little bit of angle in there. Next thing we're going to put in is a parts list, otherwise known as a bill of materials. So if we go over here to parts list, click it, select the view. Okay, I want that view, hit OK. There's my parts list. Easy as that. Automatically generates item 1, 2, 3, corresponds to the balloons 1, 2, and 3. Here's how many you have. Here's the number, which in this case is the part name, and then we can put the description in. The way you do this, you can come over to your tree, select one of the items in the tree, like the base, right click, and say open. Then here you can go info, go down to iProperties, go to project, come down to description, and then from description you can cite whatever you want to be. This is base plate, whatever you want to be to put into the description. Hit OK, and now when you go back to the jack screw, the base plate is in there. If you double click this, you can bring up the dialog box. One of the items you can do is the column chooser. It's this first box. Click on that. If you want to add different things, you can go and add those. Like say you want to put the material in, click material, hit add, and then it will add material to your parts list. Also lets you reorder things if you want it in a different way. Same thing, you go back, apply the material in the iProperties, and you have this filled out. All right, I hope this helps you guys.